Hey everyone, Jeremy with Paragon, and it is June and it's new products from our new shop. First up, we have our Paragon Performance steering wheels. These are a OEM-like steering wheel. It's going to bolt on, retain airbag, retain your factory buttons. We have a leather option for where your hand placement is, or suede. And then the carbon fiber on the top has a 12 o'clock red centering ring. Red stitching is also on this wheel. The only feature that's not available right now is heat. To be honest, who drives these in the winter anyway? They're going to be a summer car. So check those out, really cool. People love them. While we're inside the car, let's take a look at our harness bar. This harness bar is available in red or black. We developed this bar by 3D scanning the inside of the vehicle, so we are not going to mess with seat movement. You retain full seat movement, you don't lose any visibility, and it bolts in without having to drill anywhere. The only thing you're going to have to do is maybe trim some interior panels, and if you don't want to trim panels, we offer a package where we'll send you pre-trim panels. So be sure to check that out. Lots of info about the construction, material, wall thickness, all that's on our website. So while this isn't new this month, we do have our lowering springs available. As of right now, filming this video, I think there's only 2 sets left in stock out of the first 200 sets. We do have 200 more sets coming in. But what that does, if you have a Z51 car, you can add these to your car with our lowering collars or your Z51 factory adjustments and get almost 2 inches of complete lowering. Again, these are 30% stiffer. We design these in-house by 3D scanning everything, weighing everything, working with Hyperco to make sure that the factory shocks and suspension can handle it. That's why we're only dropping ½ an inch on these springs. You really can't get any more out of them without compromising something else. So mag ride still works. You're not going to lose your softness on touring mode. Your sport mode still works. Your track mode still works. All you're doing is lowering the vehicle and add a little bit of stiffness for that lowering. Be sure to check those out. In the engine bay here, we have our carbon fiber hood struts. These are a simple OEM shock-like unit that we've redone in carbon fiber. The only added benefit here besides the bling is going to be the amount of which it opens and the rate in which it opens. It opens a little smoother than stock, and it's going to open fully versus the 2 modes that the stock one has. Stock's got a service mode, so you got to go out there and push it up a little more if you want, where ours is going to go ahead and just open wide all the way right away. All right, in the engine bay, we also have up next is Mishimoto catch can. This came out recently. It's been a little hard to get a hold of. We got a bunch on the shelf now. So you guys want to make sure you're not having any oil bypass and things put back in the intake track. It's a really simple mod. Check out our website. Again, on this, we've got some more pictures there and info. As some of you have seen in your email, we have engine dress-up caps available. These are aluminum CNC made. We've got oil, brake, and coolant, and they're available in red, black, or blue. Very simple. It takes 3 minutes to put on, and it's going to dress up your engine bay or your frunk if you do the brake reservoir one. For track guys, we have Raceseng tow hooks. These are available in black, red, or gray. We worked with Raceseng, got the shafts the correct length. These are in stock. We've got tons of these available for the track guys. They have an 8,000 pound pulling force on them. A lot of your Amazon and eBay ones, I've seen this before at the track. Car hooks up to pull it out, and next thing you know, they've ripped that tow hook off and shot it into the back of the truck. So don't cheap out. Get the right thing. You're going to be on track, and hopefully you don't need it, but when you do, don't be messing with the safety workers. Have something good. Lastly, we have our license plate frame. There's really not a lot of info about this. It's 1-layer carbon fiber. It's just a little logo. Clean up your license plate, and it's available on the website. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button and the little bell so you get a notification when we're here. We do have an event coming up at our shop, so if you are near the state of Iowa, July 10th, we are going to have an open house. Be able to come down, check out parts, check out the cars. Some of you guys on the fence about an exhaust, we'll have our cars obviously here. You can hear exhaust, and we will also be doing dyno pulls. So if you want to come down and see what your car's gonna make, bring it with you, and see you here in a few weeks. Later.
Check it out. Oh my gosh, I absolutely love this steering wheel. Check out the red tape at the top. The grip fits in the hand well. It is an awesome steering wheel, guys. You guys can't go wrong getting this steering wheel. You guys will absolutely love it.